Hi, this is Freddy over at Platinum Auto World, and today I want to take a quick look at this truck that just came in. This right here is a 2002 Dodge Ram 2500 V10 Magnum with only 90,000 miles. It is a four-wheel drive. It's a quad cab long bed with a foot bed, 4x4, and it comes with all the normal power options. It actually comes with the Laramie SLT package, which back in the day they include power locks, power doors, cruise, radio, heat, and all that stuff. But anyhow, I'm gonna take a quick walk around of this truck so y'all can see how nice the body is. We obtained this truck here in Virginia. The body is very solid, so is the frame. It comes with all matching tires. We have, see the tires, they all have pretty good tread. The frame is actually very solid. The bed rails, I don't know how well y'all can see that. It's normal for down here, but also want to point out is the cab corners right here. They're very solid. The bottoms of the door are good. I'm gonna open it up. You can see this. Interior is in fabulous shape. Front seats and back seats, the rockers, they're good. I mean, if you're looking for a rust-free truck, you're looking for a full-size truck and I want to spend diesel money, take a look at this beautiful truck right here. I mean, for an 18-year-old truck, it is in really good shape. Let's see, show you this side of the frame. Cab corners are all there. Here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. Everything's working as it should. Power windows, power locks, cruise, four-wheel drive. Comes with 2 keys and 2 remotes.